Being a good person isn't a personality trait. It's not something you are forever. It's something you choose over and over again, especially when it's inconvenient. And the wild part is, you always have options. You can sink low and meet people where they are, or you can stay high and meet yourself where you're trying to be. Hello, beautiful people. It's Life Coach Dr. Saji, a Harvard certified lifestyle and wellness coach and a medical doctor. I'm glad that you are here. Take a breath with me and let's talk. Now, this isn't a lecture. I'm not talking about being nice 24/7 or letting people walk all over you. This video isn't called How to Be a Doormat. I'm talking about something simpler and harder at the same time. Doing less harm and doing more good. Repairing when you mess up. Because you will mess up, but that doesn't make you bad. It makes you human. Now, let your step-by-step guide on how to be a good person begin. Number 1, pause. Start here. Pause before you pass pain forward. Most bad behavior isn't random. It's pain looking for somewhere to go. Sometimes it's a trauma response. Sometimes it's a learned habit. Sometimes it's a generational curse wearing your face as a mask. So before you ghost, before you lie, manipulate, embarrass someone, or say the cutting thing, pause, even if it's just for 2 seconds. Take a moment to ask yourself, what am I about to do? How will I feel afterwards? Not during the matter, but afterwards. Where is this really coming from? Is it coming from a place of hurt, fear, shame, or feeling powerless? Am I trying to heal something by harming something? That pause is freedom. That pause is where you get to choose. Number 2, redefine good because good isn't soft. Good is honest. A lot of people confuse being a good person with being agreeable. But good doesn't mean you say yes to everything. It doesn't mean that you tolerate disrespect. Good means that you stay honest without becoming cruel. You can be kind and still have boundaries. You can forgive and still not let someone back in. You can have empathy and still protect your peace. A good person is not a doormat. A good person is someone who refuses to become dangerous just because they were hurt. Number 3, use the anonymous test. This one changes everything. There's a unique way to check your character. Who are you when no one is around? When there's no reward? When no one claps for you? When no one sees you? When it doesn't benefit you? When you are anonymous? Who are you then? Think about how you treat strangers, service workers, people who can't do anything for you, people online, behind a screen. Think about how you treat these individuals because, spoiler alert, that's usually the real you. Then try this. Do one good thing a day that gets you nothing except self-respect. You are the only one that will be keeping tabs and the only one keeping score because you are the only one who will know the game. Number 4, practice emotional maturity. Feel it, don't spill it. Feelings are real, but feelings aren't instructions. Being a good person doesn't mean you don't get angry. It means you learn how to be angry without being harmful. Here's a simple rule. You are allowed to feel it. You are allowed to process it. You are allowed to sit in it. However, you're not allowed to bleed it onto people who didn't cut you. So when you're activated, try saying, I need a minute. I don't want to say something I can't take back. Or, I'm upset, but I'm not trying to attack you. Or even, I need to calm down first, then I'll talk. That's not weakness when you say these things. That's true power. Number 5, learn the most good person skill there is: repair. A lot of people think being good means never doing wrong. But the truth is, good people repair. If you hurt someone, own it. Not with excuses, not with, well, you made me do ... No, it's just about clean and simple accountability. A real apology sounds like, I did blank. That's you being specific. That likely made you feel like blank. That's empathy. I'm sorry. That's unconditional. Here's what I'll do differently. That's change. Repair turns mistakes into growth instead of patterns. Number 6, break the curse in real time, the pattern interruption. If you grew up around yelling, around the silent treatment, around manipulation, guilt, dysfunction, or overall chaos, your nervous system might call that normal. When you choose better, it can feel unfamiliar or uncomfortable, even wrong. That doesn't mean that you're wrong. It means that you're rewiring. A pattern interruption can be as small as lowering your voice instead of raising it, telling the truth instead of spinning a story, asking a question instead of assuming the worst, taking a walk instead of sending that potentially hurtful message. You don't have to change your whole life today. You just have to choose your next action. At the end of the day, you can't control what happened to you in your past, but you can control what you turn it into. You always have that freedom to heal, to reflect, to choose differently, and to ultimately do better. Not perfectly, just consistently. Now, here's a summary of the guidelines we just discussed. A simple how-to that you can follow. Use it like a checklist. Consider this the 10-step good person framework. Number 1, pause and buy yourself freedom. Number 2, name it. I'm hurt. I'm embarrassed. I feel powerless. Identify what you're feeling because it will guide what you do next. Number 3, check the source. Consider if this is a trauma response. Is this fear or habit? Or even your ego? Number 4, picture the impact. How will this land on them? How will they be affected? 5, choose your standard. Consider and ask yourself, what would I respect myself for? Number 6, act with kindness and a backbone. Let this be truth without cruelty. 7, set boundaries without punishment. Be clear, not petty. 8, practice empathy, not enabling. Understanding doesn't mean blindly accepting. 9, repair fast. Own it, apologize, and change. And 10, reflect nightly with one win, one lesson, and consider one adjustment. And here's a bonus. Here are 2 questions that you can ask yourself to stop you from becoming whoever hurt you. Ask yourself, am I responding to this person or to my past? Will this choice grow me or shrink me? Now, if you found anything in this video to be useful to you and your journey, type "I'm good" in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and let me know what you want to hear next. I'm here to help however I can. And as always, I am honored to be a part of your journey to becoming the best version of yourself possible. We're in this together, and I am so proud of you. I really am. Thank you. Bye-bye. And click the next video for more. or click the playlist for previous videos.